Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Images and typing a specific keyword to narrow results. Once done, click Tools, then Usage Rights, and select Creative Commons or labeled for reuse so results are pre-filtered for reuse. Make sure to prefer high-resolution images and to avoid vague keywords that return copyrighted art. You do this because the filter reduces risk, saving time. It's the first actionable step that moves you from guesswork to legally safer image candidates. Next, you verify the image by visiting the host page and reading the license terms. Do not rely on Google's label alone. You should look for an explicit Creative Commons version number or reuse statement and check image metadata for creator details. Once you find that, run a reverse image search to confirm the original source and to ensure the file wasn't reposted without rights. This step prevents accidental use of misattributed or altered images and explains why confirmation matters. Finally, you download the original file and save the hosting URL plus the license text as a record of permission. Make sure to include proper attribution when you publish: title, author, source link, and license type. This fulfills most CC requirements. If you plan edits, check whether the license allows derivatives. If anything is unclear or the license seems inconsistent, contact the owner or discard the image. That single troubleshooting tip, ask or avoid, prevents legal headaches later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.